Welcome to U of M's Freshman Engineering Rocket Launch Day. My name is Josie Arbanis and my group used a Vapor Estes rocket. Inside our rocket, we had a payload complete with the BME 680 sensor, which measures temperature in the air. We also had an accelerometer to measure acceleration in the X, Y, and Z directions, and our Arduino IDE serving as our programming microcontroller. We launched our rocket first with a D12 engine. As you can see, it went very well. Our parachute deployed nicely, and we were able to recover the rocket. Our data showed that the rocket went up about 103 meters, or 340 feet. Another team decided to launch a two-stage rocket, which I want to highlight because I thought it was really cool. How it works is the first engine fires, and when that is burnt up, it will light the second engine and drop out of the rocket. The second engine will propel the rocket even higher in the air after this. So the rocket launches here, and this is when the first engine burns up and falls back down to the ground. Then the second engine propels the rocket higher in the air, and you can see it goes very far. Eventually, the parachute deploys and drops the payload safely back to the ground. Lastly, I want to cover my team's second launch, where we used an E12 engine, which failed shortly after launching. This right here is probably the most successful our rocket was in the entire flight. Shortly after the rocket started dropping black pieces of the engine and turned sideways, luckily away from our team and everyone else. It dropped to the ground. This is the back of the rocket where the engine was located, and here is the E12 engine that failed and dropped out of our rocket during flight. Our payload still worked, and we found that the highest point the rocket went was 18.49 meters or 60 feet in the air. Overall, it was a fun and mostly successful experience, and a very hands-on engineering class for first-year engineers.